The healthcare industry is losing around $89 billion every year. I'm not talking about the lack of patients shutting down hospitals. This is about the complex transaction systems that cost healthcare service providers. Are you also handling your transactions in Salesforce, but the platform is struggling to keep up with the online payments? So, what can possibly help you out? Let's find out. Hello everyone, I'm Shrey Sharma, your Salesforce Hulk. Healthcare is a booming industry, as it has always been. But the truth is, handling payments in Salesforce for healthcare providers can feel like navigating a maze. There are too many systems, too much manual work, and way too many things that can go wrong. But what if I told you there's a tool that fixes all of it? It's called ChargeOn, and it can change the way you handle your money, all for the better. So let me walk you through why ChargeOn is the right payment orchestration tool for your business and how exactly it can help you. The number one reason that delays transactions is having multiple disconnected systems. In healthcare, you're juggling electronic health records, billing software, accounting tools, and of course, Salesforce. And then on top of it, you try to plug in a payment gateway. That's exactly where the chaos begins. Off-the-shelf connectors rarely fit the unique workflows of clinics and hospitals, and custom development is expensive. So what could be a quick fix that works permanently? ChargeOn comes with pre-built integrations for over 15 leading payment gateways, including Stripe, PayPal, Authorize.net, and more. So you can just plug it without any coding and manage all your transactions in one place. The second problem that most hospitals face is a lack of synchronization, all because of manually reconciling payments. Without real-time syncing, your team ends up cross-checking payments by hand. Someone has to match data from the gateway with Salesforce, with your accounting system, and it's exhausting. And honestly, this is where most errors happen. ChargeOn brings everything into one place. All your customer records, payment histories, and transaction details, everything comes together in your CRM. No need to switch between tabs or manually enter every information. Just a single source of truth. Third hurdle that I have seen a lot of people struggle with is security and compliance. It is a nightmare in healthcare with PCI and HIPAA policies keeping an eye on you and your data. There is a ton of sensitive information, patient records, and payment details that could put you at serious risk if your security measures are not right from the start. To make the compliance process easier for you and your organization, no matter how big or small, ChargeOn uses tokenization to separate and protect sensitive data. And that is not it. It configures exchange rates and transfer rules as per the country or region of the sender or receiver. So even if someone breaks in, they can't steal anything. On number 4, I have the age-old visibility issue in healthcare. Most systems do not even show you overdue balances, failed payments, or who needs follow-up until it's too late. This leads to missed payments and ultimately a loss in revenue. ChargeOn gives you automated collections and dynamic payment links. Now your patients can get reminders by email or SMS for any pending payments, and an automated link is sent to them for instant transactions. When they have paid any overdue amount, ChargeOn updates it in real time on your Salesforce CRM. Now, number 5. The last but not the least. A lot of healthcare institutions face management issues, recurring billing for ongoing treatments. Let's say you offer physical therapy plans or subscription-based wellness programs. If you're trying to set up recurring payments manually in Salesforce, it is a big-time failure. Here is what you can do instead. ChargeOn comes with built-in recurring billing, so you can schedule payments for weekly or monthly subscriptions, or based on the start date, whatever suits your unique packages. Once done, it will send reminders automatically and your patients will never miss any installment. Isn't it amazing? One platform can do so much to help you out with all your payment related struggles. Well, you might be thinking, aren't there already tools for this? Sure, but here's what makes ChargeOn stand out from the rest. ChargeOn is 100% native to Salesforce. There is no third party, no jumping between tools. Everything happens inside Salesforce, just like any other feature. It's built with healthcare in mind. I'm not talking about a generic connector. ChargeOn understands HIPAA, PCI, recurring therapy plans, and more. It's tailored for your world. It's not just a payment button. It's an end-to-end payment orchestration platform. From one-time payments to scheduled plans, retries, refunds, and reporting. ChargeOn handles it all inside one platform. It's admin friendly and low code. You can set up workflows, customize messages, and test payments all without writing code. Even your finance team can handle it. It's developer friendly too. If you want your developer team to take over, let them. From sandbox simulators to error monitoring and async processing, ChargeOn has your tech teams back too. So here's the bottom line. If you're tired of messy payment processes, scattered patient data, and compliance stress, ChargeOn is your permanent fix. It's seamless, secure, and made for healthcare teams just like yours. And the best part? You can try ChargeOn completely free for 30 days. No risk, no commitment, just a chance to see how much simpler life can be when your payment system actually works with you. Check it out now. You can find the discount coupon code in the description below and make Salesforce payments the easiest part of your day. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, share it with someone who might need it, and subscribe to Salesforce Help for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.